Hey everybody, Chef Ted Reeder here, Godfather of the Grill. And well, happy holidays. I'm making a little bit of a fun appetizer that you can do. Now, not all your guests may like this. You may not even like this. It might be a little bit out of the box for you. It's always good to cook something a little bit different than what everybody else does. So what are we doing? Frog's legs. Grilled frog's legs. Normally you'll find them frozen. I found these at an Asian grocery store, and they're cleaned for you. They're nice and easy to work with. It's simple. You thaw them, you pat them dry with paper toweling to remove any excess moisture, and then you start. So I'm taking a little bit of sambal oelek or fermented red chili, some soy sauce, maybe a quarter cup worth of that, and then a splash, just a splash, because this is really, really strong. This is fish sauce. I'm gonna add a touch of some diced onion. We'll take some fresh cilantro, put that in there. And then I've got some ginger. We're gonna throw that in there. Now we want a little red chili. These are Thai Redbird chilies. They're hot, they got a kick. You're gonna mix that all up like that. You don't need to add any salt. You've got that soy sauce in there. A few drops of sesame oil, my Herbie garlic oil, just so that they're not gonna stick up on the grill. Mix them up. Put them in the fridge. You can marinate these for a couple of hours, but you don't want to over marinate them. You don't want them to be in there overnight, because these tiny little legs, that marinade's going to kind of cook the meat and it'll be dry and tasteless. So just a little bit, and there's going to be lots of flavor coming from the chili and the cilantro and the fresh ginger, the soy, and the sambal. So now we head to the grill. Just while they're in there, I'm just going to put a little bit of this, the chunky bits on top of the frog leg, just like that. Nice and easy. And what you want to do is just it's just firm and it kind of bounces back. That's what you want. You don't want it to be hard. It's got to be a little bit bouncy. It's coming right off. Look at that. That's a tasty little morsel. Oh man, that's great. Look, they're jumping into the plate. A little bit of salt on top of that. You know, if you wanted to splash, a touch more soy. So there you have it. Grilled frog's legs, little soy, sambal, chili, fish sauce, got a nice kick. Grill them up, nice and tender, nice and easy. I'm Chef Ted Reeder, Godfather of the Grill. Have a happy holiday. Change up your appetizer menu. Do something way outside the box. A little bit of grilled frog's legs. It'd be tasty.